And this is something nice because you'd be surprised how hard it is to find Elvis Presley memorabilia in Memphis. But it is actually hard to find. So when we travel, we always have to come down here to buy our memorabilia. And Snoopy's taking a nap. Here we are at Love Me Tender Boulevard. Yes, propane refills with a nice big turnaround so you can actually pull your rig in and have it filled. Ready? Real plants. They're pretty. Ooh, bright sunlight. All the decorations. The sites are not really big, but they're nice and level. And they each have a picnic table. Unfortunately placed close to the sewer line on that side. Some of the sites have full hookup, some are just electrical. Water. Ask. They have back ends and pull throughs. It's really quiet here at night. I was shocked. I lived in Memphis a long time, and for somewhere like this to be this quiet is pretty rare. Of course, I've only been to Graceland during the day. Hey, this is the first time I've been to this RV park. A lot of spaces. During the off season, they rent monthly here. So if you wanted to come and spend a month in Memphis, which still is not going to be enough to see everything, just make sure you bring your long underwear because it gets cold here sometimes. Hound dog way. It does. Let's go this way this time, Pop. You're what, Pop?